Okay, good morning, class. Today I'm going to be explaining your homework instructions. So if you open your books to lesson 16, page 77, you're going to read the top part of that on your own. Don't skip anything. And then page 77, the gray box, 3 times perfect each word group. So it goes from your to of course. That whole group you're going to write 3 times perfect. So let's write it down. So you're going to start your, our, their, yours, ours, theirs, all the, of course. So let's check it. And you're going to write your, check it with your book, our, their, yours, ours, theirs. You've got all the, I'm going across. You've got of the, all the, of the, and of course. Perfect. So I'm going to write it again. 3 times perfect. And so let's write your, our, their, yours, ours, theirs, all the, of course. Check it again. Your, our, their, yours, ours, theirs, all the, of course. Perfect. One more time, you all. Your, our, their, yours, ours, theirs, all the, of course. Check it. And so I did it wrong because my your didn't come out. So let's redo it. I got to start PF, PF, PF. And then let's start it again. Your, our, remember you're going across, down, up and down. Their, yours, ours, theirs, all the, of course. Let's check it. And so I start over here with my notes. I just click on the English word. It'll take me straight with my notes. So you've got your, our, their, yours, ours, theirs, all the, of course. Perfect. So 3 perfect rows. I can now start on the bottom one. Could through would have, remember up and down, and then you're going across the whole row. Okay? Please make sure you do that correctly. And then we've got page 77, twice perfect, the group of words on the bottom of the page. So you've got a group of words, and so we're going to write them twice perfect. So you've got, of course, I will. You have the steno outline. Of course, I will. Okay? You're going to write it one time, and then you're going to write it twice. Of course, I will. Done with that one. Check it. Go over here. Of course, OFK, I will. OFK, I will. So you're done with that one. And now you're going to write now and then. Now, remember, and is SKP, then. I'm going to write it again. Now and then. Check it. Go over here. Now and then. Now and then. Perfect. So you're writing twice perfect the group of words on the bottom of the page, okay? So you can write them like that. Remember, you have the steno outline there. And then we've got review the words and phrases on page 78. So now you have a review. Make sure you know these. I will be dictating them. It's the whole page, 78. Make sure that you can recognize them when you write them on your machine and that you know how to stroke them all in this one stroke. And then you have sentences on page 79. So you have 1 through 20. 16-1 is a sentence exercise, twice perfect each sentence. So remember, on page 80, you have the steno outline. Okay, so notice on page 80, they're including the numbers, you all. You've got to include your numbers or it's going to be wrong. So you're going to write 1 period, and then you're going to write April 1 is the day period. So let's check it. And I wrote April 1st. And so, you know, it's just April 1. So it should be okay. Just look at your notes. April 1 is the day. Okay, so let's write it again. April, oh, don't forget your number. 1 period. April 1 is the day period. Okay, it's going to come out April 1st. Don't worry about it. We're grading the notes only. Okay, April 1 is the day. So each sentence twice perfect. And so let's write the next one. Okay, number 2, don't forget your punctuation. 2 period, because the punctuation is in the steno outline. You all do not forget your numbers. Is it? And so you're going to write, is it yours or ours, question mark. So let's check it. And so I think, did I miss? I misstroked it because I wrote is. I think is just S. Yes. Okay, so let me write it again. PF, PF. And so we're going to write is it yours or ours, question mark. And so I did it wrong because I didn't include the number. You also remember, include your number. So let's do number 2, period. And you're going to write, and you have the notes, so you should be able to see the numbers on there. Is it yours or ours? Question mark. So let's go over here, click it. I have the number 1, period. Is it yours or ours? Let's do it one more time. Or number 2. See, so I did do number 2, did I? It's number 2, you all, so you have to do it perfect. So 2, period, okay? And you're gonna write, is it yours or ours, question mark. And I'm gonna do it again. 2, period. Is it yours or ours, question mark. So let's check it. 2, is it yours or ours is perfect. Here I have 2 numbers, so I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to write 2, period. And I'm going to write, is it yours or ours? So if your teacher's struggling with this, and so I have to do it again because I didn't write yours right. So let's do it again. 2, period. And so you're going to write, is it yours or ours, question mark, okay? So twice perfect each sentence. You have the steno outline on page 80, so you know how to write them, and it shows your numbers, so don't forget the numbers. It'll be wrong. And so make sure that you take your time, that you check your work. Some of you aren't checking your work. You're still having redos. Please check your work, okay? Very, very important. Take your time and let me know if you have any questions, okay? That's it, you all. Have a great day.